One of the most confusing experiences in relationships is this. You can deeply love someone and then, during conflict, suddenly feel disconnected, cold, numb, guarded, irritated, or emotionally far away. And afterward, you wonder, how did we go from loving each other to feeling like strangers? The answer is not always lack of love. Sometimes it's nervous system protection. See, when emotional conflicts activates the nervous system, the brain shifts resources towards survival and protection. And when the body perceives danger, connection becomes harder to access. It doesn't feel safe. And this is why, during conflict, your empathy decreases, tenderness disappears, defensiveness rises, emotional availability collapses, and people stop feeling safe with each other. Not because love vanished, but because protection took over. And this is especially common for women with unresolved attachment wounds, emotional neglect histories, abandonment experiences, or nervous systems trained to expect disconnection. The body begins bracing. And once bracing begins, people stop hearing each other clearly. Intentions become distorted. Neutral expressions can feel threatening. And even small moments feel enormous. And this is why many couples think, well, we must not be compatible, when in reality, both nervous systems are simply activated. Many self-aware women become devastated during these moments because they think, if I really loved someone, I shouldn't react this way. But nervous system activation can temporarily disconnect people from their softness, their clarity, compassion, their vulnerability, and even their emotional access. This is not the same thing as love disappearing permanently. It's loss of access under pressure. And that distinction really changes everything. Healthy relationships are not relationships where activation never happens. They are relationships where repair becomes possible, where both people gradually learn how to recognize activation sooner, how to pause before escalation, how to return to connection, and how to remain emotionally present during tension. Love is not proven never to be, activated. You're not going to have this perfect love without activation. It's just part of our human experience. Love deepens when two nervous systems learn how to return to each other after protection takes over. In the next video, we're going to explore a topic that many self-aware women quietly think about: why we react the way we do. And I'll explain the 4 protection responses that control our reactions. If you're interested in learning more about embodied repair and the nervous system healing in relationships, you can subscribe below. And if you want to understand why awareness can disappear during emotional pressure, you can also download my free guide below called Why You Understand Yourself But Still Lose Yourself in Relationships. If this was helpful, let me know. I look forward to your comments. Until next time.